You people have been asking me these questions saying what exactly the hike in Schneider Electric, what exactly the job role business delivery associate, what exactly the description of that, and what exactly the job description of associate development engineer in Accenture. And also some of the questions like Sodexo card is used for what, when to file the IT return, and what exactly should be the salary to file the IT return. So these questions I have been receiving from you people, so I thought to just clarify these questions in today's video, because you people told me to make a video on these topics, but it is not so lengthy so that I can make a dedicated video for each of these questions. So I thought to come up with one video and give all your answers in this video itself. So I have selected 8 to 10 questions. Okay, so I'm going to clarify all your doubts in this video. So watch the complete video from start to end. If you also have been asked me to make a video on any of these topics, okay, you will get your answer in today's video. So watch the complete video. My name is Nazia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, then please go and subscribe to this channel. If you are not yet subscribed, if you are new to this channel, please go and subscribe and also enable the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video in future, you will get a notification. And thank you so much for giving me so much support in my vlogging channel as well. I just uploaded one video recently, so you people have been showing so much of interest and support in that channel also, so thank you so much for that. If you have not watched it, just go and check that channel also. Soon I'm going to post one more vlog there, so please go and subscribe to that channel also and stay tuned with us. Okay, so let's start with the video today. So in today's video, I'm just going to clarify your doubts. I have already written down few questions which you people have been asking me. Okay, so let's just read one by one. So the first question is, ma'am, please elaborate what is bus project associate. Sorry, क्या पढ़ रही हूँ मैं. Ma'am, please elaborate what is bus project delivery associate in Accenture. Please, I got offer for this role, but I have no idea. This is not a support role, na. So this guy is asking me whether this role is support role or not. Please reply. Okay. See, bus and technology delivery associate, that is what the role is actually. So if you got this role, bus and technology delivery associate, this role is act as the application developer. First of all, this is not a non-technical role, this is a technical role, but it comes under support. Okay, this is to support the application development, to support the process improvement and increase the efficiency of internal process. See, you just have to support the team by sharing your knowledge. Whatever the knowledge you have, based on that you need to support the team as and when required. You can support the team members to develop the application which is easy, scalable and reliable and easy to maintain. Such kind of application you have to develop. You just need to support the teams to develop that application. Along the side, you have to track the progress of the project using the project tracker tools. You will get it. You have to do all this stuff. See, this is the job description, whatever I have read it. That is what same I am sharing with you. If you have any more doubt, if you have any clarification, just reach out to your recruiter and ask them to share the job description. In that, everything will be clearly mentioned. What exactly the job description is, what exactly the job role is, and what exactly their requirement is, everything you will get to know in the job description. If you have any doubts, please reach out to your recruiter for any job role in that matter. See, whenever you get the interview calls, right, at that time only you have to tell them, please share the job description. See, before attending the interview itself, please get to know about the job, what exactly the job you are going to do. If you don't know how you will do it, if they give you some other job which is not related to you, then what you will do? So please, before attending the interviews, ask for the job description. They will send you the mail. You might be having some Word documents or some Excels or something they will maintain for the job description. They will share the same document with you. If you ask, if they don't provide, please ask them. Sometimes they will share while scheduling the interviews, or else if they don't share, please ask them. They will definitely going to share with you. Okay. So the next question is, kindly share the interview question in SE. See guys, I can't share the exact questions whatever they have asked me. There is some restrictions, so I can't share it. But I can tell you this thing, that whatever the questions, whatever the profile you are preparing, right? Let's say you are preparing for development or testing, prepare yourself. Whatever the experience you are already having, if you are an experienced person, you know what exactly the process. how you're working, what exactly the language you're using, and how that language works, what is the scripting language, what is interpreted language. All those things you already know, right? If the question comes from the database, how you should answer, all those things you already know, right? What you can do is prepare those things by yourself and go through some online websites. There are a hell lot of websites where they are giving so many questions. You can go through some questions if you have time and give the answers by yourself, prepare the answer by yourself. If you don't know the question's answer, then you go through that answer. Don't give that same answer. You don't understand. First try to understand the answer. If you don't know that question answer, please try to understand and then prepare the answer by yourself, and if that question comes in the interview, you can give your answer. Okay, so prepare before going for the interview, prepare some interview questions online. Also, apart from this, you already have the experience, you have prepared your resume. In the resume, if you have written that I know testing, okay, in the testing you will get so many questions. What is system testing, integration testing, performance testing, load testing, regression testing, beta testing, alpha testing, so many, a lot of topics are there. You can go through briefly, not in depth. Already you are doing it, you know briefly, right? You can explain that with an example. Okay, if you are going for automation testing interview, what you can do is, whichever the language, let's say you are going for the Python interview, prepare some Python related questions. Okay, you can search online, you will get so many questions. Let's say, why exactly we use init function in Python? What is constructor in Python? Okay, what exactly the list and tuple is, difference between list and tuples? This is mostly asked questions. What is the if loop, for loop and while loop? What exactly the differences among these? So these kind of questions you can prepare by yourself, the most commonly asked questions, and if the interviewer will ask, you can give the answer. What exactly the inheritance is, what exactly the constructors is, right? And OOPS concept. These are all the mostly asked questions. Okay, if you're going for the development interview, if you're going for the C#, go well prepared with the C# programming. They might ask anything, swapping the numbers, or else they can ask you write the function for basic calculator, or some gaming functions they can use, anything they can use. So just be prepared with it. Okay, the functions, whatever you are using, whatever the syntaxes are there, just be prepared with it if you are going for the development. Like that you can go through online and you can prepare. If you have written anything in the resume like I know C++, then you have to know that, otherwise don't write in your resume. If you know, then only you write in your resume. Whatever is there in your resume, just be prepared with it. If you don't know anything, don't write it. Okay, fine. Next question is, ma'am, please do a video on hikes in SE, Schneider Electric. Okay, see, as I joined, not yet completed 1 year, I have not yet received the hike, but I got to know that they are providing the hikes from 0 to 30%. As usual in all the companies, the same hikes we will get at 0 to 30%, but they will give some 5%, 10% like that only, right? So here also the same way. But here minimum you will get 5% hike. Based on your performance, it may get increase, but not sure, but minimum 5% hike you will get every year in SE. Okay, but I'm not sure. This is, I just got to know because I have not received it. Once I received, I'll let you know. Okay, I'm not going to tell you the exact figure, but I can tell you, because I'm working here, right? I can't give you the exact figures, but I can tell you 1-digit figure I got or 2-digit. Okay, whichever the hike I'll receive, I'll just tell you that. Okay, the next question is, hey, your videos are very helpful. Can you please make a video on IT return, like who are all eligible for IT return and what is the minimum amount of salary for applying IT return? Okay, thank you so much for telling that my videos are helping you. Okay, okay, fine. First, I'll answer who are all eligible for IT return, right? See, if your total income is exceeding 2,50,000 or 3 lakh or 5 lakh based on your exemption. Okay, if it is exceeding from these amount, then you are eligible. So the next point what you are asking is, what is the minimum amount of salary for applying IT return? Okay, see, as per the Income Tax Act 139(1), what income tax people are telling is, if your income is 5 lakh or more than 5 lakh, then you are eligible to file the IT return. Though you are not paying any tax, but still you are eligible for filing IT return. Got my point? I hope you understood. So the next question is, ma'am, what is the use of Sodexo card? See, Sodexo card will use for meal pass. Okay, if you want to buy something, let's say in Schneider they are giving the Sodexo cards. If you want to purchase something food or food from canteen for lunch or breakfast. If you want to purchase, you can use that card. Using that you can buy anything to have, okay, for lunch, breakfast, or also you have some snacks kept there. If you swipe out your Sodexo card, you will get it. Also you can buy something from Swiggy or Zomato. You can buy any food if you want to. Apart from the dry fruit shops also, they take the Sodexo cards, you can use that. The next question is, I am also leaving before completion of my probation. Could you help me about exit from this company? See, if you are in probation, you have to make sure that what exactly the rules are for probation period. See, for probation only 30 days notice period will be there. If you are leaving within that, if you have taken any joining bonus, you have to return that. Before probation, if you are leaving, you have to return your joining bonus. And if you have taken any what is that, home infrastructure policies are there, right? They have given some table, chair, and also accessories they have given. For that also they have given some amount. That also you have to return back to them. Apart from that, if you have taken any other thing, if it is included in the policies, then that also you have to return it. Only thing is, you have to make sure that you will return that, and also make sure the days you have to count exactly. Put it in the resignation letter without fail. Put it to the manager. CC to be HR manager. Got my point? Okay. Anything is there? Please reach me on Instagram. Will help you out. Next question is, do one video on Accenture client types. So how can I tell this? I have not entered Accenture campus. I have not taken any induction. I have not gone through any process after onboarding. Till onboarding I have gone through all the process, but after onboarding I have not gone through, as I not joined that company. So I don't know the exact client types. So I don't want to tell you the internet answers, whatever the client types are there, but I personally don't know. So that's why I'm not going to tell you. If you want to know, just once you get into the company, you will get to know during the induction time, or after starting your work, you will obviously come to know during the meeting times, during the daily DSMs or in the sprint planning meetings, you will come to know. Okay, you will, if you come to know, please comment, do the comment in my comment section, so that if any people is looking for this answer, they will come to know. Okay, so the next question is, can you please explain the job role application development associate in Accenture? See, the job role is application development associate, right? So this is purely development job. What you have to do is, using the requirement, you have to design and develop the application. Okay, obviously support will be there, team members will be there, you have to develop it, and also under verification team, then you have to do testing and do the support work. Alongside, you will be having good programming knowledge, as it is a development job. Along with that, creative mind should be there. If you are a programmer, that should be creative mind. And also, whenever there is some discussions or meeting, you have to be very active. You have to listen to their words, what exactly they are telling, because you have to develop something, right? Based on that only you are going to develop. If you listen something wrong, or if you forgot, that's it, gone. Application, you are going to develop something, testing will happen on some other thing, and you will come to know later. Okay, you should have to be very proactive. This is some extra skills I'm telling, some extra what extra things is required I'm telling you. Okay, you should be having some logical approach for problem solving. You must be knowing the development methodologies, such as some waterfall models are there, agile models are there. So this methodologies you must be knowing. So job description is purely development, it is purely technical based. So these things you must be knowing before getting into the job. Okay, the next question is, okay, when can we ask for the joining bonus? Can we ask after the job offer discussion? So this question so many people have been asking me. So see, joining bonus, when you have the offer discussion with the company people, the recruiter, what they will tell you is, they will tell you your CTC, expected CTC, they will ask you, and they will give you their exact figure. Okay, so that time only, if they have the budget for the joining bonus, they will tell you. If they have not discussed about the joining bonus, that is the right time to ask for the joining bonus, or if you want to negotiate on the CTC, that time only you have to ask. After having the discussion, once you accepted it, if you want to again ask the joining bonus, that time it is not possible. Again you have to get some other offer, that time you can negotiate it. But without any offer, if you want to negotiate the offer again, if you want to ask the joining bonus again, that is not possible. The right time is during the offer discussion. Okay, you can ask the joining bonus. Please keep this point in mind. I already made the video on this. I'll put that video link in the description box or somewhere in the I button. You can check that out. I clearly mention when to ask the joining bonus and what is the right procedure to ask. Please go through that video also. Okay guys, that's all the questions I was having for the day. I hope you people found it informative. If yes, then just do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video if you found it informative. Okay, also go and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, if you want to have any one-to-one chat or communication with me, please reach me on Instagram. In the comment section, I'll be commenting only once. I'm not going to come again and look for the comments. Only once I'll be looking and commenting. If you want to have any discussion further, please reach me on Instagram. I'll be putting my Instagram ID in my description box. Please go and check that out and reach me out there if you have any query. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.